Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Bussu for real-life conversations step by step clearly. Open the Bussu app on your device. If you haven't logged in yet, enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, locate the Conversations tab at the bottom of the screen. Tap on the Conversations tab to explore real-life conversation options. In this section, look for a button or link that says Activate Conversations. Select that button to initiate the activation process. You may be prompted to select your preferred language for conversation practice. Choose the language you want to focus on from the provided list. After selecting your language, take a moment to review the conversation topics available. Pick a topic that interests you or aligns with your learning goals. Confirm your selection to proceed to the next step. You may now need to adjust your preferences for the conversation format. Choose if you want to practice speaking, writing, or both during your sessions. Once you've set your preferences, you will be taken to a scheduling screen. Select a suitable time for your conversation practice sessions. After confirming your time, make sure to check if you need a conversation partner. If a partner is required, initiate a search for available users. When you find a partner, send a request to connect with them. Once your partner accepts, you're ready to start your real-life conversation. Take note of your scheduled conversations in your calendar. Engage with your conversation partner actively and ask questions to enhance your practice. Remember to provide feedback to your partner after each session. This feedback will help both of you improve your language skills effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.